I just Me winnie lotto. Say me I don't know. Me yana, me yani don't do. Baby you be miracle. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be wonderful. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be miracle.
Radio Papa. Abose.
Baby you be wonderful. You give me loving way I never know.
Have a blessed day.
Girl, your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh. Girl, your love, baby. Girl, your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh. Girl, your love, baby. I want to tell you.
I saw one girl for Ace last night. She told me straight she was in my time. She didn't know me, I came with my guys with the tear money on top the floor like
Mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
sweet me, my nigga. Normally, I don't like to the jam too much on my song, fire boy take over. When you want me, I'm in San Francisco, Miami. When you want me, I just flew from Miami. Make I just tell you my rules. Me, I don't like to booze. Sip on my juice. Looking for girls with boobs. Nothing extra I go do, just catching my cruise. DJ play my music. Make the fine girls put their cameras all on me. Make I do selection. If I see somebody, make your like straight to action. Yeah, he was your IG. Make I like, make we vibe just tonight. Make us spicy up your life with some. If you don't like me, make you don't like me. But if you don't
Mid-morning
like me,
show.
just make me.
Have a blessed day.
I'm a life yeah. When you want me, I'm in San Francisco, Miami. When you want me, I just flew to
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so tell me the reason why I shouldn't be in my element when it's a Friday morning. Right, folks, it's a Friday, and most definitely, I know you guys were expecting this. Right, so we're here, 93.3 FM, of course. Adwuma no wasugusa with you mid-morning. Ya from Jenny me champion boat in the cosmos from Bruce Money from Kobina Costi. I brought upon the perfect gentleman. Of course, I am seated. So tell a friend, Kobina. Yeah, not your regular host. I'm on. Right, a big shout out to Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe Kane, and now to pan the fans, my man, Mr. Billy. Solid production. There was yeah. From now on, Kopim said about 12 for the day. It's all about good music. Today, my brother, yes, Lord Caleb will join me. Some little boys conversation here on the show just because it's a Friday. And what else do you expect, Joe? Maybe I will be a more kwaba. I'm watching at about 93.3 of Adwuma and I was good so me patch what tenants in ID. Let's hear good music because it's Friday. Big shots at Kobe Biara and come on, Mr. Urban Fashion, Mr. Chumesi KNL Fashion, and come on, up to Peasy Abigail. Oh, Abu Haya, the Abu Octopus. Up to Peasy, was in there go. Young class and a better man, Salum the Gambia, sending for you any back up plasma detailer. More Achimas and Gladys and Pabi and Achimas and good morning. And come on now, Faye. Nanaya, we have organizer, our Bompire Johnson. Nanaya, want to pay good morning. I want to send Bibi Aboko there. Bibi Bibi and Yazi. That's right. And so, young born Rem Andrew SDA Johnson. SDA and comma Mahana. Ghost time is the best fashion / gobe joint. Gobe. And now for Brother Michael, we a carpenter, SDA Junction exclusive beauty salon, SDA Junction Asada Beauty Salon, and our party's golden season. Samantha, good morning. Genesis Fashion and Continuing with Yaboko, Jaji, or Kamini Junction, Charities Transport. They were the Charities Fashion and a down transport. We have more Kamini Junction. Master son be company this is here. Ye rather yankopo. Mafe yanko always. My manager man temu good morning and come on now for quality fashion and old education quality good morning and come on now for all my taxi drivers Brad David Apasco Rauf MP3 Staga Obama Ricardo Tanko Kweku Bonash Obatampa Jonathan Medici and come on Pierrot Brakwame Baluso Boys Swagger Omubedem Amos and come on appear and I'll say all the taxi drivers I know in town. Good morning and come on Mugina. No pay me a show somewhere young Ghana Commercial Bank Edna our Ghana Commercial Bank now for or down Government Hospital Madam Pat, Madam Vera, Madam Maggie and now for Nanajua. No pay your chicha Mugina. Me patcho join the show live on Facebook on 93.3 FM live on Facebook. Send me a first and I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention. Send a text to 0594 841044 0594 841044. Let's have a conversation. I mean, send me whatever you want to hear or any message you want to tell me. Just send them through 0594 841044. As I said earlier, I'll be more than glad. Yes, more than glad to give you a live mention on radio. Join the show as well on Facebook 93.3 FM Ahenkan 93.3 FM. And on my page as well, I'm sharing the video on my page. You can also do and share the video as well. Send it link, you know. Share the link. Right, of course. Since it's a Friday, I'll bring you a daily dose of motivations as usual. I said earlier, my man Lord Calip will join me here in the studios. We're gonna have a boys conversation, Charlie. And just how you're blogger. And we are offering our person will share blogging as my man Calip will share with you some experience when he started, where he thinks he's going, and all. This guy has been very instrumental. I'll tell you the lie when it comes to blogging space here in Achimoda. This guy is the only guy. You know, the Christmas was actually letting people know what is happening. I mean, all events in Accra he attended. So he will join me in the show, on the show today, in the studios, and of course he'll be sharing with us one or two experiences. So stay tuned on the 3.3 FM. You can send me your message or a question you want to ask Caleb ahead of time. Also on 0594 841044 0594 841044. Good morning and have a wonderful day. 93.3 FM. Stay tuned. More music today on the show. When I return, a daily dose of motivations. Good morning.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Radio Papa. Thank you.
Girls wanna have fun.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Oh, she's in action, her melanin shining like the sun. Did you know that you're beautiful? I'm on baby. I will love you till the end. My sweetie pie, I hope you understand. I will love you till the end. I'm on baby. So me move for mano, na me hunde me dede. So me move for mano, na me hunde me dede. Take it up, oga me to take away champagne, na me hunde me dede. I'm on baby. You should know, I don't go use you.
Right, so music.
So
of Nana Dramina. Yeah, so Kitty on this one. Mom baby. So apparently this was my favorite from Kitty. But you see that champagne song, that champagne, I better take you over. For me. I mean, I love mom. I love Kitty. No homos, I beg. But in fact, I love Kitty. If I just send you messages, no 0594841044. 0594841044. Those of you who will send your message 0594841044. It's a Friday and more music. Can you get that song for me? You get that Kitty song for me? Is it champagne, me boy? No. It's not champagne. No, I'm not Mom Baby, but the other song I'm talking about that song. Oh, champagne, you be me boy. Yes, I don't know make up. I love that song. But before this was Kitty for fun. Now Charlie, champagne has taken over.
Oh, she's in action.
Alright, so 49 after 10.
Did you know that you're beautiful?
Baby, I will with you, media. Me patch with Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Of course, Mammy can be with Ahenkan. And then first time I would see you media, and our first time I would see Casafidia with you despite media. Ahenkan offer. And of course, your friend coming across the producers, baby. DJ Shabo for me, what? So here's the song.
Pay for my pain.
Shoo!
I stay in my lane.
Hey, Baba.
Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend.
Champagne for my
pain.
I stay in my lane.
Every day be my birthday.
Have a blessed day.
Oh, baby, you know we outside. Tell me outside. You know we are. Baba. Oh, baby, you know we outside. Tell me outside. You know we are.
Body like a panda.
Hey, Baba.
The way she move it make a panda. The way she move it make a panda. Break it down, make it wiggle like a panda. I want to know what you make me.
Right, so let me tell you the reason why I love this song.
Bouncy, 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 baby.
You see, most of us we go through a lot from Monday to Saturday. We go through a lot. And Charlie, sometimes if you really want to cool stress, champagne they send a boy on your day. Now they're coolie kakra. But it's quite unfortunate for me. I don't do outside. Me, I love inside. Only the legends will understand. Me, I love inside. Outside is too much expensive these days. So me, I love inside. And the inside, you see, I won't lie you. Me, I love movies. Yeah.
You're 10 over 10.
I don't go lie you. I love movies. So I always want to be inside. Sometimes with him, say that one and next in both. Next is I can't say. Next is I can't say. Everyone shut down for hours there. Was me shut down watch then. You see.
I don't so you're married so them.
No. See, the reason why I love inside is see. Who movie now who new you get it. You love inside. You love inside.
Relax. Okay, something baby now that's my.
Okay. So what I'm trying to say is
you love so move you inside.
Move inside.
Na dem biom inside.
Adriani wo inside.
Na dem biom.
Drinks our fridge.
Na dem biom.
BBI okay.
Kokoso na.
Right, so let's get into it. Our daily dose of motivations here on 93.3 of and of course, our daily dose of motivations is always brought to us kind courtesy Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. So for all your wedding photographies, picture framing and passport pictures, and also studio photographies, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery is ever ready to take care of your needs. Your number one stop shop for all your embroidery works. That is Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. So for all school crest embroidery, cap embroidery, fish tower embroidery, police uniform embroidery, another Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, or Liberty Transport, opposite Canal Pharmacy, 0245 276638, 0245 276638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Success is no problem. Her message success never. Shall we look at it? Massa, it's no movies, Bia. We all know what you do inside. I do beat inside my room. I produce beats. In fact, I'm a beat maker. In case you don't know, I'm a beat maker. If you true say, I dey produce beats. No. I dey produce beats. I dey produce beats for my room.
Abi all be sound so
Every sound.
Every sound.
You be legend. You be legend. You be legend. Right, so our daily dose of motivations this morning is from Jack Canfield. Jack Canfield was saying, for every reason it's possible, there are hundreds of people who have faced the same circumstances and succeeded. For every region it's possible, there are hundreds of people who have faced the same circumstances and has succeeded. Yes, of course. Mami Shemuma Natias here. Once I am if I can say anybody who honoma. Emma Bibia nye akwansidie Emma umpuntu. Emma akwansidie bia Emma woni uyiye di entem. Do not allow yourself for any obstacles standing between you and your future or you and whoever you want to be, yeah. And she see you know, fashion with him say, and there be a who face she see no. There are hundreds of people, or for the one man they face this same particular circumstances you are in now, and I must succeed. And to the man, now I can say you are the first person facing this trouble. You are the first person facing this amania. You are not. Certainly, there have been people I'm not facing your baby. And so if you are struggling, it's a struggle just to make a living. Now, I say, I don't know, I was saying, me brain and some yesiga. A patch of fashion with him say, and coffee brain so fast situation. Almost almost brain, no my yesiga for. Almost brain. Many of it didn't come on some ice cream seller. A Japan, I think it was last year, somewhere November or Brunya and Muho baby. Many ice cream seller didn't come on. Very, very beautiful girl, or ton ice cream. So in the course of the conversation, and I realizes no, this girl, Oshe senior or Kasano Hawa, I mean, or control no home senior or didn't come on idea. Who said, near education, be when you kakra. So I was curious, and I'm a busano, a level of education. And Okachira will say, we SHS. We SHS and we're trained here for 4 years. We apply for university twice. And for first one and for second one and for you know, it's unfortunate when you see entry admission fee. And you know one co school no cry. And I'm able say, okay, so why this ice cream? And again, course Ben Kananka Opese Okoyo University. And she said she wants to do nursing, like yes, Bachelor of Science in nursing. I was like, okay. She said, when Yasika in Chia or officer, I didn't know uncle, normal nursing training. I catch him say, we any me botai, men can't so mama call nursing training maybe, but she said, I'm just quoting her. I say, this is not my aim. This is not my ambition. My ambition is to be a degree holder, like may degree nurse. That is my ambition. And I'm saying, okay, fine. So this year now, to me, care fees, is there someone who will be or who fees or boa now? Or see there be? I want to sell this ice cream. Magada sika, baby. Ice cream with me. Sorry, I saw surround upon 10 way. Now the co schools and upon the co schools are onyebi. And you mean to watch our market at 12 wapon or woman be so mamma so 1 or 2 mamma so chanica until a day I'm quoting her. She says a day, onya 150 cities. Onya 150 cities a day. Sika onya no. It or the sika na to ho no ma. Odim say so it was last year. So this year, obenya sika obi betimi aboa because osofo bia promising say this time around when she gets admission obeboa no. It's non person odin hu beto sofo no so nko. I was like, wow. I've heard stories of girls bebrena echo the other way around because they actually want to go to school and obey says catch me say mama control. O catch me say me won fe o catch me say me ton ice cream no. Enya me nko a. And I'm your bar, may try. Listen, no. And you man me your bar, may try. Say me pebe be a gina dachi. And coffee baby I came. Ain't any news? Say me so me ye be. Me shannon him dinam say, hey, am I we mu saying and walk from her? Am I saying, am I like, am I saying no saying any walk from her? She told me, Kobana, it's not news for a beautiful lady, sending our canon like me, to be hawking on the streets, selling ice cream, going to various schools, primary schools, to sell ice cream. It's not news. Because I'm not the first person. And of course, I'm not going to be the first person as well. Obi aye, and I'm here. Obi nsu ebaba ye. Enti no me da shame trim say. Enya me nko na me fa sa situation we mu. Obi afemu. Ama waye like wasasidi waye ye. Enti say menya inspiration from obi a ono aye bi pende a. Adenti na me nsu me ntumi nye bi. Asem ne tenten tietie nyi say. Ade a wo ye hisia no. Enfa nhye otrim se nko na waye bi. Obi aye bi. Kwame despite aye nya ye boni di kan asem no. I hope say nya yat na story. Not on cassette. Cassette and an auton. Omanabe mu bui ena ka se ne nkofo no mu free asante memu no bebre aye ye gya nti no njai cassette de da be na alaji ke from pon be sa abonum biem da be na match de be sa abonum biem da be na say na anka wa me who he is today me pacho whatever you are going through keep going koswana ko nya nkwa no afasa situation mo obi afem waye yi onsu betimi aye yi kachira hu se obi afem waye yi misumi fem meye yi se ye kube e na wo ton wo street a ton obi ton ice cream o say this year inshallah she will go to school se kube na wo ton pure water na wo ton they are ye bia no se wo botai bi wo woni so a me pacho me njai botai no nto me njai botai no ento koso ana koso ebe ye kese eso beba mfaso e de ama right my kind messages kakra I wish Ankanesi gusutia. So there's a message from Adwuma Roberta. I'll say Branessa will never change. 2023 change for the better. You know be Bonsam. You know be Bonsam firstborn. Abba. She says the perfect gentleman. I see you. You have been missed. Adwuma, me too. I miss you, sir. I see your picture today, and yes, I see. Then you did despite media. You did run things and things. I say what legend? He be a shower for chairman. Joy Boy Skeleses, Kobina Kosti, good. Keep the fire burning. Watching live from Achem Odna Crossing. Isaac says good morning, Ahenkan FM. Right, so keep your messages coming through on 0594-841-044 and also on Facebook 93.3 FM on Facebook as well. And as a Kobina Coast TV page, now send the message, so far to come upon. So when I return from the quick commercial break, lot of fun. My man, yes, Lord Caleb will join me here. Boys conversation. I tell you no lie. So I mean, call them brushes here. My bad didn't so do so pan. But sabu yaba didn't be my back home. Tiyan come brushes here. Me pa train. Yaba sisi ya. Yecha. Utbinya yehwe yaba.
abamu kwakwasi edu Herbal Center afedie ye bie Herbal Clinic ewa akemoda ye wo kwami no way ha anuti yade bia eda wo say yes sisi yade say yes stroke say hypertension say yes diabetes say yes any yade typhoid ana we yade anasa ebia obema no awu kojo to ode ba ye bemu adro ne be pejan ana saudi ne se wuntimi mbo adwuma ye say so ewo massage machines ewo ho ha ye de be massage wo ye wo machine a scan unipadua ni na eyi unipadua ni na to ho ema ye hu se ha ana yade no ehye enti fa yade bra ye the nurses for any doctors akukuda ani ye de aba clinic ho se si ade eye kwaku asiedu Herbal Clinic se wa asebisa bi afre ye 0247 03 7564 ye wo abrosaina e wa kwa filling station echi won pay there be a Vodafone office for e wono sa abrosaina ni mu a na ye wo ya de bia odi besi ho bia ye timi say te enobias.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, inti obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se, usika enko waste. Inti, me tomino meni na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana, chairman Mensa chain. Enti sa upe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se, simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato, Mr. Mensa, ana, chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa, all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pan. Fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, jam trading enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensana, what's a bra? Nani buono edit da form.
Ahenkan winners a make a difference, Papa.
Now they are fair one.
There be winners there. See any momo dada. Nemum say there one more to munchne kra. Oba ojo form 3 straight. Form 1 ne form 2 nyina so akwanya edaho. Facilities Papa B. Biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no. Eye compulsory.
So person ultra was June and none of them. The right place. Eye winners senior high school.
Wayek amomo exam center number. And when you transfer any was suku muwa a teacher for a kuku damankasa and a extra wadie and winti ubetwa no one time courses are no ebi any general arts, pure science, business, home economics and afe agric science.
Winners senior high school ego admission so say cia ma honya ha never pa admission e ma oban
basic afanenso our winners divine academia waje nkwala every nursery ekosi JHS3 our boarding edema nkwala mu nyina ubehunu winners school complex Nkoko Sidom restaurants ne opposite Paso Nakosi school mu ho Frepani kwanche for the school no ano ewo 0244 571927 and afi 0208 193788 Winners School Complex raising the standard of excellence.
I swear.
Nyamia nim no krani say bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, mitrima me do. Me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend CB. Esan say, bia ko pe as wadu fie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa wo do. Eni to kra ni Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Say who di birthday party. Oh worry. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. Owo car park kese. Owo baby green grass and kwada diagro kama. Na ni punu. Eya kono bi international standard. Udwali ni na kone safa filter mu. Punu su udwali a unse yes. Udwali ni pensio. Akona nkasa. Preferland Hotel. Owo adan ya udwo bebre. Asa udwo ni bra. Onya busan benya baby ada. Na so no can't go no problem. E bonus you cool. Enya nunku. So pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel. Enyum chetia so abri bia. Enti achemu dan man so ene ne mpatam fo ni na cross form she ho. Preferland Hotel bamamo. Nani masem de bia wo. Kwase de bia eye pool party. Esanso e mutual special. Brabe didi na se dwale. Briefland Hotel, I watch him manso. Would do a nyatre achum da kwano so na. Presby School na chipe. Fresh 0551 187 926. And now say 0507 640 302. Briefland Hotel, Fresh is here. Ne Abama.
Hey, banjo. Why go? Massa, St. Andrews Asembubu Wayek machine biomo. Have you heard yet? A buta
7 A's, 6 A's, and a 5 A's no abruso.
Enti say, so better forms I was St. Andrews SHS. The results nibi na chance.
Afiwe, ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain, emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university.
Wow, wait ye a bro again and entias yeso.
And on to Sawako school be a ko felipoto.
A mane how cra.
For an St. Andrews SHS. Say St. Andrews Ebia Quenya Amo Momoko Form 3.
Enti ma onye ha never found forms. Natural wasi May June exams ni bi afiebe.
Enti masa Quenya wempa ho fisa me hu yanka na kachi.
Enti fresisia najo SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 ana 0207 891004. St. Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the lead.
I swear.
Kwekwe, brother, share and a party I'm a coin. Abrochin soon at this 7 room. Would you share any bottle in the cramming? Wait, I'm not coming over to. Now what can I'm not coming over to. Ghana Hayani, you know. Now, or I say, so Pamuda Pona, a Ghana commercial bank, car park on one, and a dish and mupe. I want Safufun, and unti, sop and do go Saudi year, would dear wedding, Aberdeen tour, party, so no more fear, and I do my dear beer, the patch of 0249 680 213 and a 0500 231 091. And so then and packaging so FSA and natural mineral water. A natural FDA ajatum say aye.
Hey, na den e ko so amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. What pass yankasa.
Hey, na school ben no enyo mo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko chwo ne de enye crowd. Hey, mass nya.
Faniko only believe.
English nya.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. Every first sister banchinya. E jana chire. Abofra no dia wo sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi omo mo chiro so hwe ni nyina pa. Menua, amofra no ya dachi o. BC so hwe omo mo chiro ye. Say wa pass yo. Say wa pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na the see me ne we ka say no. Womo bia admission na womo chi mofra no. Form 1, Form 2. Konya da ho no mo se see ya make say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age omo ye de say.
Yen kan chire. Yase body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe papa. Abofra ne ko ho na ne so hwe ne de. Kwai bia school be ma chire for me for so abofra na pass ne de. Womo be ye. Wo school fees so de ne border from boko. Obetima tua ne installment. Kakra ko say abofra ne be wie school. E school ya pia ne platform ma watch admission. School fees ne crowd here e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo dia ne say wo de wani be chire mu. E wo only believe senior high. E di for wani chire mu wo achim ko krantu. Anasa fresh 0240 202 148. Anasa 0247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah,
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. If it's a meteor, Kwabena Costi. I was Ahenkan FM 93.3. With taste.
Allah, Azonta confere, Azonta confere, Azonta confere, Azonta confere. Monsieur Dem, Enfebida, Keke, Enfebida, Mentio, Enfebida, Five, Enfebida, Bema Lumba, Enfebida, Abad. We see me to my mind. But I want to blow. Every I want to blow. Every day I day street where I want to blow. Every day we pray for more life. Oh, yeah, me baby, cry for all I cash out. Oh, please, oh, yeah, and mommy, yeah, my sha, mommy, please, oh, yeah, and mommy, yeah, my sha,
killer. Father, please pay me. My age, my P50 kg. Yellow fast and I yellow bumpy. I can wash at the team when I can aim me. Street in the Mukom, the yellow car jogging. 247, the system ain't working. My can business, he cannot stop a nonsense. Me ready. Oh, yeah, I need you when I'm breathing. You're my fire and desire. Oh, you make me come alive. Kiss me, make I feel your fire. Baby, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Oh, Shakira, your hips don't lie. You sexy and you know it. I love them thighs. Oh, you know, say you bad, 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 bad. Would you be my lover? Baby, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh. I only need you when I'm breathing. You're my fire and desire. Breathing. You're my fire and desire. Oh, you make me come alive. Kiss me, make I feel your fire. Baby, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh. Oh, Shakira, your hips don't lie. You sexy and you know it. I love them thighs. Oh, you know, say you bad, 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 bad. Would you be my lover? Baby, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Baby, if loving you is a crime, then put me for jail. Baby, come closer, make a butter your bread. I said it is you that I want to see every night and day. Baby, oh, baby, come back to
Right, so 93.3 of So when I was saying breast is the most expensive commodity in town, you guys said I'm lying. People were fighting me, people were saying, so when did breast become a commodity? It is. In case you don't know. So something I just saw on the internet. I say divorcing man applies for custody of the breast. divorcing man wants to keep and have access to his wife's breast. Says the wife can take the cars and the house. But they do for men will always be men. I tell you no lie. On your one divorce there. But catch a court to sell per court to chop hands. And no for there. And who here ye? And no for no here ye, but because no for a great sentimental value. If I men, I don't want to say all men. And I mean, I say all men, no. I men, you know, men can some men. A man, ya, Bema be a penoful. Bema be a, it is a Upi, the Uku, and I say, oh, boyfriend in power, boy, won't pay, oh, walker. Bema be a. But is it like when I saw this story, I was like, is it a joke? Only Obane Jaya ware. Like omo gusu omu jai. Is it this court back and forth? But the man is asking the court. Say young can't here say if you any cast in the bit me afa. But the new phone there. A new phone there. Oh yama. And there be our fino phone bia. I was say any ex-wife no. Or the new phone bana. Or the two new kakrana dia. What? Cast near fear the bit me afa. And I ever do have him Pamebusanya me questions papa. Alright, so there's a message here. This one says, Kosti, this is your boy password from Simple Computers. You do or keep the fire burning. Okay, this one says, Kosti, good morning. It's your man Sadiq from Asane Top Hills. Always you do great job. God be with you. Good job. Asane what Top Hills or Asane the baby will home. Is it? Hey, Asane. Baby Asane. Top Hills. And Asane for more Top Hills in your success is a new for the with the new for see what pan heaven or bet you soon new for. Success someone made us was so for that as a pan. Success class is also on class where was this or 2 bar in Muslim. Success Imam that was a pan. Imam that was it. So we bet you soon new for heaven. Imam said Nangodi. What that was a pan. Alright, so 21 into 11. WAS Bioengineering Ghana Limited. Chomo Amasaman. Yes, I know much Amasaman. With the WAS Bioengineering Ghana Limited. Or Amasama, me patromo Ben Ejapia's depot. And I'll be home WAS Bioengineering Ghana Limited. Me patro omoye chillers, fridges, shawlers, baskets, and a sales of book. Sales decks for books, malls, and also supermarkets. And see, what do we need to WAS Bioengineering Ghana Limited? Ubenya bringing a be out come upon or I'm a saman or Ben Eja Ejapia for the puts no and I'm warm patch of 0596 318 686 and 0509 994 529 and 0542 325 584. Afu Yama J about clinic. I watch him our Red Cross Johnson. Watch him on Red Cross Johnson. Watch all Hana be Hamaji. Amaji Sanope. I make conscious will be a Sabio Yare Tetio. Will be a tie for the how. Will obi a ulcer how obi a kidney problem menstrual problem gonorrhea mema na tokrobia na muso mebrum ni ade na amatiti sa me pa cho kwa magia obebo anu otu ahye dama odi o trauma scan machine dia ba obehwe wo liver ni mu ni ade wo kidney ni mu na ye hu yare tete oni otu ahye dama offense physiotherapy e course massage no papa e course wa magia friend 0244 877 na 0205045665 amaje ba clinic na wayarisha ifie imbu se ba make sure police ni edro eno an obi adam si afre no police ni edro me pa cho se yare tete wana se hu se wayamre obi die mu nyina yamre a Michelle Kope imbusi oba make sure police in your drone. Your number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease and also malfunctions that affect the body. Kope bitano pay pharmacy drugstore biya or kwa benyi biya to 0246 208 496 na 0540710113. Imbusta na bebo na onya hode mapa Jam Trading Enterprise. Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mesa anase chairman Mesa. Mepa cho owa chemoda Cabernet Junction of Tonton Cement. The sell Pessimaf Cement, Ope Diamond Cement, Ope Gasem, Ningina, Oko Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensan Chain, Ubenye B. Atho, and I'll say Ope Iron Rocks. Say 16mm ana dikosi quarter rose ningina obenye biato e wona so ye open nadwa inches ahodo nyina obenye biato afen so plaster balls no papa pan wo maka cho say eno ya cho so kinoff enti se wokoto plaster ball na ye ntro so kinoff a hye nso say wato konko echi konko me pa cho asatwi me ma me type kapa ono ade anya papa bi o se ye konko echi konko che say bola so say ade no enyenyenyenyenyenye eti bisro okoto konko echi konko dia o so esipa eti do koto ade ye papa plaster balls e wo Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensa ope fiber ope center panels ope corner molds wall angles plywood bind wire nina Obenye bia to Mr. Mensa Chain and as a chairman Mensa or wa Cabernet Junction one Jaji and a din sheni Jaji o yayi okay bam patch of Mr. Mensa and I say mommy it was 0208 123 872 0208 123 872 and 0244 566 880 0244 566 880 and Ramene Nessence and I'm Nessence call yayi ho yako chekia 102 bi and I use a comna said I we a guy there 70 trial surprise bi na there and I'm smart pa ayayi come here ko what goose ayayi dia ba no TV ne home theater se ne ade ayayi dia begu ho no and I'm say yayi meba me anga sam pese me ye party wo me dem this year me birthday me wo me dem ti me ko just sounds of me ko just sounds of e wa ya yo now only believe senior high school we are home economics students, we are science students, we are Greek students, general arts, visual arts. Watch wasido, sabi anfa wasa trobium anfa. Makatra madam fubia. 2013 was 12. Watch run of there kesan. What every year be our triumph. Every year be our triumph. Every year be our triumph. One day power call only believe senior high. Or try and a farmer. After the following year, and why first throw the letter. Say, Bosu, a few years who are there, what pass yana. Why go for young Kakwana Passy? Mr. Oko only believe senior high school. Now also throw a chat year pan. Now I go for only believe senior high school. So Mumba Mount 98% passing rate. 98% passing rate. It is over. We be able to cost year pan. First, we admit students into our form and also form 2. It's bra. Now, be 98% passing rate. Chat. You go for you. I could cron to me. 02400202. 148 0240 202 148 0247 670736. Only believe or say all things are possible. You call Briefland Hotel. Briefland Hotel. Caleb Sunday, you call Briefland, eh? What call that? You call Sunday. Briefland Hotel, watching manso. Our Presby School, and all birthday parties, so we engagement. We are your first social gathering. Be our way, be our Manco PM. Briefland Hotel. Me pacho Sunday be a special. A coso and for a pool party 24/7 quality music. And so coso from DJ Shabo, DJ Kobe Kenya at the Shannon Song. So person with Tianum Papa Pandia. Briefland Hotel Sundays, Saturdays. Jai or Hobby guy pa. Our friends who say who host a hot baby girl in a town. And I say baby boy in a town. Ope baby or bet dad and Suma Jono. We pack a car who say me pack a car and I am Honoma or pack a car. But and Qualature wash me there be or the sans and phone and Kosovo. Mr. Briefland Hotel was a bra. Now you saw till out nice upon. There was spacious and secured car park, well ventilated rooms. You swear you ho. The patrol any manager ending come on. It was 0551 187 926 0551 128. Sorry 0551 187 926. Now 0507 640 302. Briefland Hotel. Corner. Baby girl, no one call her. I say 121212 be near there. And I'm round so me call His Grace phone. His Grace phone. Your friend Ishmael Edri. Na Endra and the birthday. A dear penna Edri. Oh papa said Nakupon shop. Yesterday was your birthday, so happy belated birthday. And one command Ishmael Edri. Neba a dear penna Edri of His Grace phone. Oh, how can you froze say? You froze say. Baby, Guinness depot no one for dimmy say Coke depot, say Guinness depot no. How you coming? Ube right inside. Who right inside? I'm with Dimi, I'm with the Freho. I think when I was young, I'm for American House was a baby. I don't know, but anyway, classic ointments. Wouldn't be a pompo. I can make up on the pimples about my pompey. It's not to be bodo. Come tell who you'll be a pompey. I was as I didn't pump me, part of your pimples in the pompo. The pompey. Best open classic ointments, not a fast one here. They not dropped. But to us, so they might come upon. And our fish and so say, Oba candidates is also Kaka to Boreso. Open classic ointment, Tibia. But to us, the man nice upon. So, who got you? I'll bet you use as uncle because about one with the atos come upon. I'll come one for drugstore, chili bar, Kennedy drugstore, EK is Siemens drugstore, or you know, Benny Biathon, 054497. I say me one number be an name tutu. Others is a personal. Who are the mana 0544 79 1600 0544 79 1600. That's 0500 799 433. Ade one number be an name to papa so sa. I said the Miss Percy is here. I already be right, so my man, yes, Lord Caliph is here. And you're about to have a boys conversation because it's a Friday, Charlie. Now, Endra me who, baby. I'm trying so hard. So, I think it was something from. Almost someone from a slag who said they Slate Queen something. Me who some publication from them Omo the associate omo from girl you know girl the cry for say cobbler will say dabla will say adabla say your friend or say adabla yeah, I think I've seen the thing. Slag. Mamin kind. Now before Caliber about Mamin kind, I was saying Slay Queens Association of Ghana. It has come to omo letterhead no careful. What should I say? Letterhead it has come to a notice, or it has come to the notice, I beg your pardon, of the Slay Queens Association of Ghana (SLAG), the unfortunate incident of a court rape served to one CFO in a popular bank in Ghana. SLAG wishes to deassociate ourselves from the lady who proceeded. I need to serve the wraith and also wish to state that we are still open. We are still open to serve our dear men or the pleasurable ways we know how. We beg all the men who are with us not to leave any of our members. Our profit and benefit solely depends on your pockets, and leaving us means suicide. We beg, this girl is just evil lady who wants to collapse an entire industry of slay queening, but lie, we won't let her. With that said, please call all your side chicks for a free weekend getaway this Friday to Sunday. We are at your bake and call. Oh yeah, Chop Keys, we love you. So this was a letter from Charlie, what's up?
Charlie, cool.
Do you have a side chick?
Side chick.
Yeah. But oh, come on. But in call for hen and almost our side chicks.
Hey, if you do no.
In call for like hen yeah. Boss for no.
Oh, okay.
Like they are dating yeah. But I'm feeling say like serious girlfriend no.
Oh, yeah, enough.
Serious girlfriend yeah hen.
Okay.
It's those.
But you see, I know say I never go say. How can we use our girl no cranny or baby are still no pell? Oh yeah, that any day oh baby. Only pan say guy the girl knew. Yeah, but still now oh yeah down. It's almost an so better my side chick. It depend say come on you ready yo. Yeah, chua.
There are because easy so there are things sometimes yeah but enshada hu hia anope no obi kan bibi echema adwen wo se se obi wanya kola bone ne kola brema onyi a obeye peni bone nti ene
so chusu ba bia abeye bone
it is ene o boyfriend faithful ko bi hwe why o ade no so nti hwe na ye ni nti se o boyfriend cool ena unisa mo wari amunya
pushing no onye gidi
obeye penny money
I was pushing no gidi brand
it's me so me growing up uni nipa no oye me mentor growing up me tonyo ba my mentor was 50 cents and Snoop Dogg. Okay. But I'm a Snoop Dogg. Who's a Snoop Dogg? I mean, he's proud to be open bunny. I don't know, so follow. I am proud to be open bunny. Or no, aside ne nkwala nursery rhymes or yeah or American and then will be sending me say he wants me to play a song from Snoop Dogg. I'm saying really Snoop Dogg on a mid morning. What do you mean? 80 minutes Snoop Dogg. So growing up now, me role model there, but Master Sansis here, you see, I call papa all the way. It's your bomb pie. Yeah, Charlie, then I call
Charlie. Me around.
You didn't come, Bibi Aboko.
Boko. You the name. Where's here?
Yeah,
you pushing a crack.
Right. So you move ready anymore. I'm gonna follow Facebook now. But for the benefit of Obia Util for the very first time on the radio, why yes, Lord Caleb.
See, I can say Caleb yes, Lord. Edina say Asare Caleb. Asare Caleb. Or a journalist, entertainment journalist, or a blogger, or some social media managing executive. Specialized area. Me yeah, who Adwuma no.
Okay.
Well, that's my good boy.
Pa until udi urene ne
Asare Caleb. Na Caleb ya Asare, but
it yes Lord ne.
Yes Lord no yeah. Me teacher be a Atifa SHS. Now there's one thing with artists. They say almost title names. I say title names are or your artworks you are churugu home. It was like teacher ne kind of once. Oh, Caleb years or kind of once or kind of sounded like good to my ears. Into na me ye artwork you are na mature at Caleb years Lord. We are drawing sculpture work we are na ceramic PCB we are.
Now, why are you? Now we are visual students.
Yeah, visual students. Me a drumming pa, but I don't know. But what works are me are implicative because the artistic impressions.
True. True. First, now if you say we are growing up, you wanted to be a lawyer.
No, how crowd the meme crowd.
Meme.
I don't no. Obia say me who is Obia ne yakopo dia
exactly.
Because me show be a movie, me Pierre Bontin, everything me show be me put the artistic representation. E wa ade bia me hu bia. Nti me hu ade bia ade me hwe ne first no.
Nti so far how many years blogging? How many years?
Like I say I started as fan 2013 time. Now your group here that's what Mercury of Hate FM or creative group FM turn up army.
Okay.
Into now your Adwuma contract event near high pay. You be more no Twitter CCR. They started as fan ewo. Into your honor started into do baby na Mercury said no, we can make a career and a work out of this. So those who are interested should start and build a brand out of it. As at that time, now me one in chain kakra na I was also associated with Hit FM. Tina program ni bi oha me your social media content publicity. Ni ade nyina nti ever say originally you can say be 2015 yeah there about na your fan say ye de be adwuma na enioma bi o hu bia ya fan
is it a benefit too like blogging?
Oh yeah. Baby anka mean to me nko no the job e de makoho baby ebia in a normal life nipa mean shia no da no because of the blogging no I will even take some people pictures and videos and they will inbox me for me to send them the videos.
Wow.
What I say? Handy. Nipa bi aka say wa no to ne numu da. I once remember say me call show be on National Theatre me twa Fela Makafui picture. Ti me twa na picture and say that time it was the beginning ages of my career. This 2016-17 there about. I was in a haste to post it. Na me who say you be who say me hu na me twa na first. Ti me twa picture na me post it, you know. Then she sent me a DM on Instagram say, "Oh, baby, I'm try picture not to remember." Na me call no catch him say, "I should have tell her say me person me try picture no smile no smile." Nti me delete na or mommy post. Na me try. When the program is done, I should meet her backstage. She will give me a content. But your point I say how you rush. Nti oh, obi anka in a normal life maybe anka me share no. Maybe anka me to me in interaction. But because of
I am asking this because who young guys are, I mean, coming up, they want to be bloggers and all. Baby Honoma, they take inspiration from you. Like me can't almost free chrome her, and baby now share where their stories are, things they are doing. Say baby na episode musuya and baby episode like they want to take your lead. And you know, I mean, you being a blogger here and I came out and base here, and sometimes you cover things here in order. But at times you travel outside of Dania and they didn't. Meaning say what for so many challenges, difficulties. Was I mean it was hard and it nearly made me stop this now I'm doing.
My first show I call National Theatre 2017 no mo pon program no Ukraine me call akranya na sika kuta me 150 cedis that time na me de kwa 2017 me kodu akra no me kwa akra mostly na nyina say ebia event na me call no ye o man book hotel and am request for BBC me come yang ho awoshi ti na sisi e kura me said that new akra in and out be breeze because of Google ne Uber ntino me say me fana me take mama kodu nti me said that new route bi wa ko ha ne ade 2017 me call program no omo pon ye na me check Uber na Uber ne around me sika ne se motum ne kura me tua enso me check a free National Theatre co circle so I'm sick and create and so next time nante free National Theatre straight to circle na me who kwan ntino me the before na to Google map walk na me nante ti me nante ya na free me who say na me cheni ba free National Theatre on your left na oba stomach height overhead bi ho ba me who kwan na e fa ho eko piase ye ho ti twa me wan ba sa be si me dem Corona. But na adiyan so asan around 1 a.m. asam na make no. E wa crowd na mu say akwabi person so follow me. Me so me so ade kakra. Ti aferi me say akofo other end no na me hwiri. Na me see from na me nante ya ti me nante ko do circle na me nya kaneshika. Me nante fi circle ko kaneshi. Me do kaneshi me nya wo shika me nante fi kaneshi ko awoshi. Corona. We do ono me timo over me do as more father. Ma bopu ni ma ombi afi me te or store your fried rice or anyone to me to na ni soda ma be me nan nyina come na akasa say me te ahwe no ma collapse me te na me hwe me say ti ya wasare ho na asoma
I can relate me so my 90 from Malam Junction to more
because I was eager to taste a live event at that big personalities I could also do say Charlie at least my baby but that time no na my wa cry my who celebrities baby but now me say you do me challenge me say me ye baby I should like I was some me force me person baby boa me bi because me kai do baby me ko na kasapa kakra when na person celebrity me na person media person na person you be suma say you can but you have to do something for yourself on your own and see say Charlie that story need still na